Hey everyone! Are you thinking about starting your own business? Or maybe you've just launched one? In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 mistakes most new entrepreneurs make and how you can avoid them. Let's get into it. Number 1. Not validating the business idea. One of the biggest mistakes is starting a business based on an assumption. Just because you like the idea doesn't mean others will pay for it. Tip: test your idea with a small audience, or create a simple MVP, minimum viable product, before going all in. Number 2. Trying to do everything alone. Many new entrepreneurs think they have to handle it all: marketing, sales, operations, design. This leads to burnout and slow progress. Tip: outsource or delegate where possible. Focus on your strengths. Number 3. Ignoring customer feedback. Your customers are your best advisors. Ignoring their feedback can cost you growth and sales. Tip: actively ask for reviews, conduct surveys, and keep improving your product or service. Number 4. Poor money management. Not tracking expenses, overspending, or mixing personal and business funds. These are dangerous mistakes. Tip: open a separate business account and use budgeting tools to stay on track. Number 5. Fear of selling. A lot of beginners struggle with promoting themselves or their product. But remember, if you believe in your product, you're helping people, not pushing them. Tip: practice your pitch and focus on solving customer problems. So, those are the top 5 mistakes new entrepreneurs make, and now you know how to avoid them. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to grow your business. What mistake surprised you the most? Let me know below.